What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here. If you're an Amazon seller or if you're an Amazon Associates member, where you post links on your social media and you get commissions if people actually buy things from those links, and you were curious how to get your tax forms, your 1099 forms, if you are not on the mailing list to get those via mail, and or if you've opted for paperless tax forms, or if you moved and you just can't find the forms, you just want to get them and print them out, put them on your computer so you can use them later. Very difficult to find this information online. Here's what you do, though. You go to taxcentral.amazon.com, and it will pull up this page you see here. If you're an Amazon Associates user, that's where this info would be, and you'll click View and Edit. It will pull up previous tax years right through here, and then you just follow the instructions. You'll click Download, and it will download it to your computer so that you can print it out, or if you want to send it in with your tax information, and or if you owe taxes to the IRS, you need to get your info. That's where you would find it, through whichever year you're looking at. And if you're looking at your actual sales, if you're a Amazon seller, same thing. You go back to this same page and click View and Edit. It will pull up a similar looking page, but you'll click then Find Forms, and you'll notice also, see, if you're a paperless receiver, you can change that here. Okay, but if you've already done all that and you just want to find your 1099 forms, here's where you'll see them right here throughout the previous years. You'll click Blat, and you will download it to your computer, and then you can use it how you need to. And that's all there is to it. But it was just difficult to get to this point because some of the instructions on Amazon I think the instructions are out of date and not updated, because it was telling you to go to a certain page that really didn't exist. So anyway, not surprising. Some websites are a little bit out of date sometimes, but that's how you do it. TaxCentral.com or TaxCentral.amazon.com, right up top right there, is how you would eventually get to the pages I've shown you. And there you go. If you guys are looking for more stuff, we have tons of videos on our channel of how to fix things, computer related things, working around the house related things, funny videos, motocross videos, fixing your air conditioning, your heater, your furnace, just all kinds of videos. We've got 2,000 videos on our channel, so make sure you check it out. And if our video helped you out or saved your life, so to speak, make sure you click the thanks button that you'll see underneath the video screen, and that way you can shoot us a donation if you like. This is why I stopped shopping
on Amazon. And you
right underneath, I'll show you where it is. Super thanks, which is this guy right here. And if you see it on your mobile device, you'll see a little heart-looking thing. It's called Super Thanks right there, where you see the mouse moving around. Click that and shoot us a donation, or any other video, for any YouTube channel that's monetized. I mean, we appreciate fixing problems that help you, and we like it that you thank us for it. But honestly, doing videos is very time-consuming, and if they're very helpful to you, shoot a little donation to that channel, and they will really appreciate it. And that's it. Y'all have a great day. Check out our social media links in the description. Got eBay, Amazon, YouTube, Facebook, all kind of stuff. And y'all have a great day. We'll see you all later.